Hello guys, and welcome back to the next part on the tower defense series. The last part we made the hotbar, and now we are going to implement it. So currently it looks like this. As you can see, it's just blank and there's nothing there. Now inventory, it's also blank. So let's make a unit and let's equip this unit, and you can see nothing is there. And yeah, of course my data store isn't published, but that's no problem. For you it's of course gonna save. So now when we go to our status UI, we go to our main, go to our scripts and our inventory. Now let's go to the top of our script and let's get the local hotbar. It's going to be equal to main UI webchild hotbar. And then once you have the hotbar, we can start scripting. So do we have something like an update function? I don't even remember. We probably do. We got the generate function, yeah. So in the generate function, let's also make stuff for the hotbar. So let's generate first and then populate our hotbar. So right here. So we have our unit table. We have stored units. Let me see. Okay, we got all of this here. Okay, so we actually can do this in here because we loop through every single one of our equipped units in here, so we can just go ahead and do this here. So then what we can do, actually just let me check one single thing, create a unit frame, and we do that for every single one in the storage units. Okay, I see. So what we can do in here is now for, actually we got this. So what we want to do is we want to actually do let's generate the unit frame. So what we want to do, we want to just go ahead and to generate two units. What's the function called? Create unit frame. And we of course need the unit table. So we are just going to put the unit table. And we're going to put the player. We're going to put the parent, which is going to be want to do it like this. We want to get I. And then we want to do the parent, which is a scrolling frame. I want to change something. So the parent does not have to be a scrolling frame necessarily. Let's check for the parent. We parented to the parent, of course. Which is okay. So the parent, the template also doesn't have to be a frame. So then we do down here. Where are we? Here. We're going to do hotbar. Index is with I. So as you can see, this is 1 to 6, and it's going to give us the layout. Then we need the, what do we need now after the parent? We need the template and the order. So the template is going to be this one here. And yeah, actually our parent is going to be the hotbar. So let's put the hotbar there in between. So this is going to be the hotbar, and then it's going to be the hotbar 1. And then we just need the order, which is just going to be I. And maybe that also works already. Let's see. I don't know if it is. I don't know if it is. It is. 1 is not a developed member of frame. Hotbar. One is not a developed member of frame hotbar. Well, but why? It is a valid frame. I go in here and I do main inventory, hotbar. Oh yeah. Okay, I see. So let's make a new variable. Just do true. And go up here and do is hotbar. And do if not if is hotbar is equal to nil, then is hotbar is equal to false. And then when we name this, we're going to do if not is hotbar, then this, and that's going to be it. So let's try this out. So let's summon a unit. Let's equip this unit, and you can see that it displayed correctly. So when we summon something more and we equip it, you can see it works. Okay, it maybe doesn't because we don't update this when we unequip units. But as you can see, it generally works. So that's quite cool. So then we just need to clear it once we are done. Actually, we just need to clear everything out. So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and do for underscore slots in hotbar get children do if slots is a image button, then you can reset all of this stuff. So we want to do a local unit frame, and we go to slots dot unit frame. If unit frame, then a local viewport is going to be equal to unit frame finds, or just do like dot viewport frame. And then if viewport finds first child of class model, then we want to destroy that. Then the selected frame wants to pretty much restore. Let's just continue with this. So then the unit frame dot cost dot text going to be equal to this. We can just copy this and do it for the name for the level as well. We just do it for the name as well. And then we do the same thing for the selected frame. And that's gonna be it. Then we can go ahead and test this. So when we summon something, see it restores this. And then when we unequip this, it's not working. Okay. When we equip this, it's refreshing, but if we unequip it, it's not refreshing. Okay, so the problem is when we call unequip, we don't refresh, I think. Oh, do we? Let me see. No, we don't. Okay. So let's try to fix this quick. So in the inventory, when we unequip something, we also want to generate. And when we click on a unit, generate selected frame. When we do selected equip, then let's also generate again. Oh, of course it's not working because the generate is of course below. Then we gotta work with client events. So do we have a we have a generate event, okay. It works. This is also linked, I hope. Generates, yeah, okay. So when we go to our server, to our units module or to our unit module, where do we have it? Is it in the lobby server? No, where's our script? Here, server. Unequip. We do this. Okay, let's go to our unit module. When we equip a unit, we are refreshing. As you can see, we are firing this event probably. Wait, why is it refreshing when we equip a unit? That's what I don't understand though. We do equip units. Oh, I see. Yes, okay. So you generate every time something gets equipped or unequipped. The thing is, our equipped units, we summon something, equip something, it should get removed technically because, okay. Let's make this a different function. So let's cut this out. Let's make a new function for this local function update hotbar. And then we don't have the unit table. It's the only thing we don't have. So our unit table, we are going to get by doing this. So we are just going to get our units from this folder here. Here. So we copy this and we paste it here. And then we cut this out and just put it down here. And then let's also just update the hotbar every time. So when we do generate, we also want to update the hotbar. Well, first we want to clean up and then we want to update the hotbar after all this. Oh wait, after I think everything is done. So we scroll down. We put it here. So let's see. Summon. Equip. See that this displays. And now something is going on, but not everything. And this also stays. Okay, it's weird. Okay, so we need to reset the background as well. Let's try to reset everything that's the that is getting changed in the create unit frame. So in here. So we do the gradients. So inside this we have a gradients. So what we want to do is in our update hotbar, inside this, if then we want to destroy it. Then, okay, let's go top to bottom. So we change the name, level, and this. We change the ingredients. Then we change the background color to this. So we do unit frame background color to white again. So it's going to be equal to a nice and simple white. And then we have, okay, the Z index. I don't care about that. Import frame, selected frame. Okay, no problem. For the selected frame, we do okay, this should work. Text, select view. Yeah, this is all clean. Okay, let's try this out. So we go to inventory, equip, and unequip. Okay, equip, unequip, equip, unequip. Okay, some of this is like removing this. But if this is working, so it's kind of refreshing the other frames. Kind of like trading positions. Okay, so we want to fix this. Okay, so I've experimented a little bit. And I've come up with a solution, but it's gonna, yeah, the scope of the video is gonna be crushed if I just narrate this point to point. I'm just gonna paste in a function. So this is gonna be the function clear hopper slots. It's just gonna clean everything. Just make sure you copy this. I also left some comments so you can read what every section does. And yeah, for the update hotbar function, you also gotta change a little bit. So I'm also gonna paste a new function in. So just gonna be the new function. Also left some comments. Yeah, and with this fixes, it should now work. So this is the exact same. It's the same unit table. It's the same upgrades. And yeah, so let's go play now. And let's see if we summon something, see it works. And it refreshes and it unequips and stuff. The only thing that isn't working is the gradient getting removed, because I think I removed that by accident. So I actually want to re-add that. So in the clear all hotbar slots, yeah, it's not getting the gradients right here. Slots, the unit frame. So you just want to do slots to UF here, and then you're good to go. And now let's try this out. We have a unit, we equip it, unequip it. As you can see, it works pretty well. And this also works pretty well. And yeah, we can have like multiple different units equipped. And then I can just unequip like this one. And yeah, that's just gonna work. So yeah, thank you all for watching this episode. I know there's still a bug that when I unequip a unit like the first one, all of these move up. This is not intended, and we will fix it in the next episode. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.